To assemble the flat base sign display, begin by removing the parts and the hex wrench from the box and placing them on a clean, flat surface. Screw both legs into the 2 threaded screws fixed to the frame. Next, align the frame and leg unit with the base, with the recessed holes of the base facing outward. Install the hex nuts and finger tighten. Use the hex wrench to fully secure the base to the legs. Now, place the flat base sign display on the floor. Insert the graphic into the slot on the top of the frame and allow it to descend fully into the frame. Once set, the flat base sign display is complete and ready to use. The flat base sign display comes in both a black and chrome finish.